What's up, everybody? It's your boy Q. Welcome back to my channel. Hope you're having a good morning, day, evening, night, whatever time it be that you're watching this video. Thank you for tuning in and welcome back to my channel. So today I got a subject I want to cover. I've been getting a lot of questions on this via the comments on YouTube or whether DM in my Instagram. A lot of questions. A lot of people want to know how bright are the Anzo lights, and not only the Anzo lights, people also want to know how bright the replacement lights I got for the lights that came with the Anzo housing when you ordered those. And so I'm going to cover those today, try to give you all a preview as to how bright they are. And also another question is, are these daytime running lights? And they are not daytime running lights, but I'm going to show you all what I do to get around that. So here we go. So as you can see, you got red behind me. I'm actually in a garage, covered parking right now. So I want to start off with the video to show you how bright they are at basically not nighttime necessarily, but in a not direct sunlight environment, which is what we have here. So you can see, go ahead and start red up really quick. So as you can see, in non-direct sunlight, they are super bright. There is no issue. You can see them very, very clearly, right? I mean, if I go back a little further away from the truck, so you're at a distance, you can see them besides that light back there coming in. But you can see them easy. I mean, they look great in non-direct sunlight. Now, if we do the amber, let me go turn the hazards on really quick so y'all can see that, how they look in shaded environment with the amber. So this is how the turn signals or emergency light look, again, in non-direct sunlight. So again, you can see them perfectly clear, perfectly fine. They look very good. Now, let's turn on the actual lights. Right now, so I actually have the headlights that I bought with the Anzo light. Let me get a little closer, see if they will focus in for you. There we go. So I actually bought these here. Where'd it go? I lost it. And there we go. I actually bought these here off Amazon. Again, they were like Xeno. I'm gonna put that up here for you, a picture right here across. Xeno 2s or something like that. I do have a gripe about them. Well, not about them, I'm not sure. So this side over here works amazing. Super bright, super light. My left side, I don't know if it was me installing it wrong, but my left side here at nighttime, let's say I'm standing right here. If I'm in the truck, I'm standing like right here in this area. It looks like there's a dark spot right in the middle of the light, and it's not bright at all on this side. So I do remember when I put this in, I kind of scratched it because I didn't know what I was doing. So maybe I damaged the bulb without knowing, or these are 360 rotatable bulbs. So maybe what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna rotate the bulb. I'm not gonna do that this video because actually, without taking this entire housing off, there's another way to change the bulbs in here, and I do not want to take this whole housing off again to change this bulb. So what I'm doing, I'm gonna get I'm doing some under the hood here, and I'm also that's gonna allow me to change this bulb a lot easier. To be honest with you, right now I'm running my fog lights. I like to drive my fog lights anyway, but right now I'm running my fog lights because this bulb is not doing what it needs to do. It's super dim for whatever reason. But I'm trying to show y'all really quick what I'm talking about. You're gonna see that this light is, the driver's side light is way dimmer than the passenger side light. So I'll show y'all this. All right, guys, so I'm looking at the truck. If you look at the truck head on, you don't see any difference. But when you squat down, y'all see that? You see how this bulb over here is shining way brighter than this bulb? That's what I'm talking about. And you can tell at nighttime. So I'm not sure if I got this bulb in wrong, crooked, or I scratched it, but I'm gonna try to rotate this one here and see if I can get it that bright. But that's exactly what I'm talking about. It's funny when you go to regular standing level, you can't see it all. It's only when if a car, somebody's in front of you low, but I definitely can see it when I'm driving, that there's this huge, like, dark space right here where the light usually hits the ground. So that's the only issue of I'm having with it right now. So let's go up and get on some direct sunlight. I do have a gripe about that too with the Anzo, with the actual Anzo projector light. So we'll talk about that. Let's go. All right, guys, so we are now in direct sunlight. Now, as you can see, the headlights, you probably can't tell, but they are not on right now. And so that was another question a lot of people see on these daytime running lights. So they are not. But with the Ford, you have two options. You can turn your daytime running lights on. I have never done that, so I don't know how that works. I'm gonna show you what I do here really quick. So when I drive my car, since these are not daytime running lights, this is just what I do. I mean, it's quick, simple, easy. The only thing you do is just come around here, and you see your knobs here, you control your lights. I just turn mine to boom, to that function there. And as you see now on the dash, the little green sign, so this is off, on. So I just turn them on manually like that. That's all I do. Just come here, and this is auto, and I just turn them on here. And then when I get out the car, your car is gonna beep anyway to let you know that, hey, something's on. So you just make sure you turn them off when you get out. You don't wanna come out to a dead battery. So here you go, turn them on. And that's how I drive around all day. So see how they look. Now this is in outside conditions, a lot better lighting. So let's see if you can see. Can you tell the difference that they're on? Barely, right? You can kind of see it, but it really didn't look too much different from before I turned them on. If you get a little closer, you can kind of see it. So let's go a little further back at a distance. So you can see that they're on. You know, you can kind of see the lights. I'm pretty sure at certain angles going down the road, you can see them, but standing still on this thing, it's kind of hard to see. And I'll probably have to say that's one of my gripes, that in direct sunlight, it's hard to tell if they're on. But I mean, you still can see it here on this side, very good. But on this side, like I said, more direct sunlight, not as well. But yeah, it's fine. But now, the main gripe I have is when I'm using my turn signals. Now, let's see this. I'll show y'all this. So here we go, turn them on. Got my hazards on, not my turn signals. So you should see them blinking amber. Let's walk. What you think? See? Now that's the thing I will say. You cannot really see them amber in daylight, in direct sunlight. If I get really, really close, you still can barely see it, man. But this is turning orange right now. Yeah, you can see it there. But back here, if I'm another car coming directly at me, or know if I'm turning, I'm gonna say you can't really see it. So that's probably the biggest gripe I would say about these. The Anzos in direct sunlight, they are not as bright. You can see it on this side pretty good because it's still a little shade, but the amber is very dim in direct sunlight. So like I said, I know y'all had a lot of questions about that. Hopefully this video explains that to y'all, how these work in daytime and nighttime. I still like these. I will not switch them out. I am not gonna change them out because I do think they look, first of all, they look amazing. They do the job. I will be doing another project video on this soon about this bulb here, whether it's the bulb defective or I put it in wrong. So y'all stay tuned for that. Also, like I said, I got something coming in the hood. Nothing big, nothing major, but just a little slight change coming to the hood, underneath the hood, some performance. And yeah, that's all I got. I'm about to head over to the gym. Y'all enjoy this workout video. If y'all don't see no workout footage, that's all I got. And I'll catch y'all on the next one. Y'all have a blessed day. Peace.